Good morning, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Alexander Vargas Gomez. I am 31 years old. Actually, or currently, I live in Girardot. This is my hometown. I was studying system support. I am working at the moment. I am working in a supermarket as a support system. I am married. I have one son. As a teacher, I don't have experience, but I would like to learn the right way to teach. On the other hand, I want to tell you that I have the opportunity to study 3 system technology. And to answer how did I get my English level, can I say I was studied 2 years English in an institute. That way I know a few about the English because I was studying 2 years. So the first strategy or strategy number 1 about the process to learn English. The first strategy is English club. Why English club? Why? I think that one of the best way to learn the English language is collaborative work through social classes, where all the students share their knowledge. Let us all talk without being afraid of making mistakes, where we can do activities simulating reality of the daily use of the languages. On the other hand, if we have English clubs, I think that the level of learning will be higher than what we could achieve if we study individually. That is my first strategy. So the second or strategy number 2 is about personalized study plan. You can say why is my second strategy. Okay, a second strategy that I consider would be good to apply is to use personalized classes. That is to say, with the help of the teacher, you can work of topics in which one can feel weak. We would say that we could apply grammar and the different topics in a clearer and more precise way. Child will keep track of English language learning. Personally, I took 10 days of personalized classes and can I say that the progress was remarkable for my professional side. It's very important that way that option about the strategy number 2. About the strategy number 3 is the most important. To me, is the most important. This strategy number 3: travel abroad. Why? Why travel abroad? Why? Because travel abroad, I think that it must be a strategy to learn English as almost native in traveling abroad, paying for an intensive course in English speaking country where I only practice 24 hours a day. I don't have space to speak my native language. That way, it's only English. I think that being a few years abroad, I could achieve an almost perfect level of English. I could also improve all the skills and perfect them. This includes the large number of words I could learn while abroad. That is my point of view. That is my old strategy. I want to say thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. And if you have whatever comments, please leave me your comment in the page. See you next time. Bye bye.